Hi guys! So we're going to read this book. It's called Purpley. And as you can see, this book, like all my other books, it's covered in tons of art stuff because I love reading this book. So, here we go. Purpley. Purpley by Reidy, illustrated by Genevieve. Leloup. Not these clothes! Have you all ever had that feeling? Purpley. Tickly. Hookery. Prickly. Itchy. Scratchy. Stitchy. Matchy. Stripy. Taggy. Strappy. Baggy. Feathery. Dancy. Leathery. Fancy. Slippery. Spotty. Zippery. Polka dotty. So comfy, just right.